Good morning, class 7th. Take out your English literature notebook. Today we are going to do question answers of chapter 1. Yesterday we had done these make sentences. Today we will do question answers. So write down today's date, 12 May 2021. Write down the heading, question answers. This is the last topic that we have to cover. Take out your black gel pen. Write down question number 1. What caught Mridu's attention at the door and why? Note down the question. Take your blue gel pen. What is the meaning of the question? The meaning of the question is that मृदु का ध्यान डोर पे किस चीज पे पड़ा था और क्यों? तो किस चीज पे ध्यान पड़ा था? चप्पल पे, अ पेयर ऑफ चप्पल. और क्यों पड़ा था उसका ध्यान? बिकॉज दे वर वेरी डर्टी. बहुत गंदी चप्पल थी वो. किसकी थी? म्यूजिक मास्टर की. सो राइट डाउन a pair of large black slippers caught Mridu's attention at the door because क्यों करा था? Because they were very dirty and dusty. Because they were very dirty and dusty. Note it down neatly in your fair notebook. Take a scale. Draw a line with a sketch pen after your answer. It means you have completed one answer. Write down question number 2. Why didn't Mridu have time to wonder about whose slippers they were? मृदु ने जब वो स्लिपर्स देखे तो उसको बिल्कुल भी टाइम क्यों नहीं लगा ये सोचने के लिए कि किसके हैं? क्योंकि उसी वक्त रवि उसे खींच के बैकयार्ड में ले गया. क्यों ले गया था बैकयार्ड में रवि? उसे So what was the reason Ravi dragged him? Because he wanted to show her the new little kitten. So write down the answer. Mridu didn't have time to wonder about whose slippers they were. क्यों नहीं था टाइम उसके पास? Because 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 Ravi dragged her to the backyard, comma, behind a thick bitter berry bush. क्योंकि वहां पे क्या थी, एक किटन थी। ओके draw a line after your answer. Ridu didn't have time to wonder about whose slippers they were because Ravi dragged him to the backyard behind a thick berry bush. Note down question number 3. What prompted the children to give the chappals to the beggar? बच्चों ने वो म्यूजिक मास्टर की चप्पल बेगर को क्यों दे दी थी? Why did they give the chappals to the beggar? Because क्योंकि उन्होंने उसके पैर के जख्म देख लिए थे. The children were prompted to give the chappals to the beggar after seeing his pink peeling blisters यानी जख्म ऑन द, कहाँ पे रखे थे उसके पैर पे, ऑन द सोल्स ऑफ हिज बेयर फीट. बेयर फीट मतलब नंगे पैर. उसके नंगे पैरों पे जो जख्म हो रखे थे वो देख के उन्होंने म्यूजिक मास्टर की चप्पल बेगर को दे दी थी. So children were prompted to give the chappals to the beggar after seeing his pink peeling blisters on the soles of his feet. Draw a line after you've completed the answer, children. Note it down neatly. Write down question number 4. Someone's gain is another's loss. Comment in the light of the story. What is the meaning of this statement? किसी का फायदा हो रहा है तो किसी और का नुकसान हो रहा है. इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका ये मतलब है कि जैसे म्यूजिक मास्टर की चप्पल चली गई, म्यूजिक मास्टर का नुकसान हो गया, लेकिन उसमें किसका फायदा हो गया? बेगर का, क्योंकि बेगर को चप्पल मिल गई. उसी तरह गोपू मामा की चप्पल क्या हो गई? चली गई, लेकिन गोपू मामा की चप्पल किसे मिल गई? म्यूजिक मास्टर को. तो गोपू मामा का नुकसान हो गया, लेकिन म्यूजिक मास्टर क्या हो गया? फायदा. So at one point there is a loss for someone, but on the other point it is also a gain for someone else. So write down, yes, this is a true statement as the beggar gained the chappals on the loss of music master, whereas the music master gained another pair of new slippers on the loss of Gopu Mama. So it means beggar को gain हुआ किसके loss पे? On the loss of music master, whereas The music master gained another pair of new slippers on the loss of Gopu Mama. So at one point, if there is a gain for someone, at the same point it is a loss for someone else. So draw a line after this answer, and here your question answers are completed. So how many question answers we have done? We have done 4 question answers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to complete these question answers in your fair notebook, children. And here we have completed this chapter for your formative 1, a gift of chappals. We have done everything: back exercise, word meaning, make sentences, reference to context and question answers. So you are supposed to start revision of this chapter, and soon we will be doing the revision work. Bye bye students, and send your work to me before 2 p.m. Bye bye and take care.